Welcome to the Adhikari Academy training on opening savings account with NSDL Payments Bank by Spice Money. In this training, we will learn about savings account, how to open a savings account with NSDL Payments Bank and its benefits. You will also learn some important things to remember while opening this account. Let's first understand what is a savings account. A savings account is a basic account type that allows you to securely deposit your money in a bank, giving you access to it whenever you or your customer needs it, ensuring the safety and accessibility of your money. The customer can withdraw their money digitally or personally at any time. Let's find out the benefits of opening a savings account for your customer with NSDL Payments Bank. Your customer can instantly open their savings bank account with NSDL Payments Bank without any documents. There is no requirement for the customer to maintain any minimum balance. Zero maintenance charges. The customer will receive an Insta-kit containing a debit card and a welcome letter. Any Indian citizen residing in India and aged 18 years or above can open this account. The customer will need to provide a certain minimum amount for account opening. The customer must submit important documents such as a valid PAN card and Aadhaar card along with linking the mobile number to the Aadhaar card. The address on the customer's Aadhaar card must be correct as it will be used for all banking related communications. Most importantly, the customer's name, PAN card and Aadhaar card must match. Ensure that the customer has an active mobile number and a smartphone so that they can use the NSDL Jiffy app to manage their account themselves. The Adhikari must have a biometric machine to open this account. Most importantly, the Adhikari must have opened their current account in NSDL Payments Bank for the eKYC process. The process of opening a current account is similar to the savings bank account opening process. This is a one-time process. If you already have a current account in NSDL Payments Bank, share its details with our customer care team, after which you will be able to use this service. Let's learn how you can open a savings account for your customer in NSDL Payments Bank. Log into Spice Money Adhikari app with user ID and password. Tap on the Open Account tile in NSDL Banking Services. Here you have two options. If the customer doesn't want to take a debit card and only wants to open an account, you can select the Rs 118 option by tapping No and proceed further. Alternatively, if the customer wants to take a debit card, along with opening the account, you can select Rs 449 option by tapping Yes and proceed further. We will demonstrate how to open a savings account with Rs 449 option. You can follow the same process to choose the Rs 118 option and open the customer's savings account. Select Yes for the Is debit card required option. Here you can learn about the features of savings account. You can check what is required to open the account. You can check the account fees and charges. You can also check the FAQs. Tap on Open a bank account. Enter the mobile number of the customer who has come to open a bank account. Tick I am not politically exposed person. Carefully read and accept the declaration. Tap on Proceed. Ensure that Adhikari's wallet has enough balance to open the account. Now fill out the savings account form which requires some essential details of the customer. Tap on Fill to enter customer's PAN detail. Enter the customer's annual income. If the customer has a PAN card, select Yes and enter PAN number. If the applicant's name and enter the applicant's name and date of birth. Tap on Confirm and Continue. The customer's PAN card details have been successfully entered. Now enter the customer's Aadhaar number, customer's Aadhaar details by tapping on Fill. Enter the customer's Aadhaar number and tick the Aadhaar declaration box. Select the biometric machine available to you. Tap on Scan Finger. Ask the customer to place their finger on the scanner to scan. The customer's details will be auto-fetched by UIDAI. Verify the details and tap on Confirm. The customer's Aadhaar card details have been successfully entered. If the customer doesn't have a PAN card and has selected Form 60, you need to enter some details for the customer. After entering the customer's Aadhaar card number, Aadhaar card details, their name and date of birth will be auto-fetched. If the customer has applied for a PAN card, select Yes. Enter the PAN application date and PAN acknowledgement number. Tap on Submit Declaration to provide the declaration. If the customer has not applied for the PAN card, select No. Enter the estimated agricultural income and non-agricultural income, then provide the declaration. Tap on Submit Declaration to submit the declaration. The customer's income details have been successfully entered with Form 60 without a PAN. Now take a live photo of the customer by tapping on Click. Capture a selfie of the customer. Ensure the customer's photo matches the photo on their Aadhaar card, otherwise it will not be approved. Ensure the background is clear and ask the customer to blink while taking the selfie. The customer's live selfie has been uploaded successfully. Enter the customer's title, enter their marital status, that is whether they are married or not. Enter the father's name, the mother's name, customer's occupation, customer's income slab, customer's email ID. Ask the customer if they would like to add a nominee. Explain the importance of having a nominee on the account as it allows for easy transactions in case of unfortunate events. Tap yes or no on the add nominee option. Tap on confirm and continue. The customer's personal details have been successfully entered. Enter the details of the nominee the customer wants to add by tapping on fill. Enter the nominee details, then select the gender, select the relationship of the nominee with the customer, enter the date of birth. If the nominee's address is the same as the applicant's, tick same as applicant's address. If the nominee's address is different, tap change address and enter the nominee's address. Tap on confirm and continue. The nominee's details have been successfully entered. Activate the SWIP account for the customer. According to RBI guidelines, NSDL Payments Bank accounts cannot hold a balance of more than 2 lakh at the end of the day. To address this, NSDL Payments Bank has an agreement with the Kotak Mahindra Bank to open a SWIP account. If the customer's account balance exceeds 2 lakh at the end of the day, the excess amount will be transferred to the SWIP account. Provide this information to your customers and explain the benefits. Tap on proceed. Obtain the customer's consent to open the SWIP account and accept it by tapping understood. After opening the customer's account, some nominal charges will be deducted from Adhikari's wallet, which can be collected from the customer. Tap on pay. Have the customer confirm their details and verify them yourself as well. Accept the terms and conditions. Tap on proceed. Check the feature and schedule of charge and share them with your customer. Tap on understood. For initial account funding, tap on pay amount. The specified amount will be deducted from your Adhikari wallet. Confirm the details and tap on pay now. For account opening consent, perform e-sign by entering the customer's Aadhaar number or the virtual ID. Accept the terms and conditions. Capture the fingerprint using the available device. Tap on submit. The biometric authentication process is complete. Link the InstaKit and provide the final receipt. Tap on link InstaKit to link customer's debit card to their savings bank account. Enter the number of the InstaKit you are providing to the customer and enter the last 4 digits of debit card. Tap on submit. The debit card has been successfully linked to the customer's NSDL savings bank account. Download the receipt and share it with the customer. Now let's understand the important thing to keep in mind while opening a savings account with the NSDL Payments Bank. Do's: always obtain consent from the customer before opening an account. Ensure you fill in accurate and complete information for the customer. Provide complete and accurate information to the customer before opening the account. Make sure the customer has a valid Aadhaar card number and a PAN card number to open a bank account. Inform the customer about the service charges or the fees. Educate the customer about the features, benefits and charges of the NSDL Savings Bank account. Guide the customer on the importance of having a nominee and ensure correct details are entered for the nominee. Instruct customers to check SMS notifications after every transaction. Inform the customer that once a transaction is completed, the amount cannot be refunded. Don'ts: never take a copy of the customer's Aadhaar card. Do not collect any unauthorized service charges or fees from customers. Do not refuse service to any customer. Do not share the customer's personal number such as mobile number, name, date of birth with any third party or organization. Never open any fraudulent or anonymous account. Thank you for completing the Adhikari Academy training.